Step 1. Open Amplitube 5 and choose the amp. Put on bright mode. Set volume to 4.5, treble about 8 and bass to about 3. Step 2. Put a booster before the amp and set it to about 10. Step 3. Put a plate reverb after the amp with these settings. We're done with Amplitube. Step 4. Now put a pitch shifter plugin after Amplitube to tune the guitar like original song. Increase 50 cents the guitar tuning. And finally use neck pickup on your electric guitar.
Here